Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Yesnoerror token. Ticker symbol is YNE. Now this token just got a very big central exchange listing starting this morning, December 20th. We're going to go over the information on the Yesnoerror token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Yesnoerror, all one word, is the name of the token. YNE is the ticker symbol. This is on the Solana blockchain. You can find this token on SolScan. If you're looking for the price, the charts, all the statistical info, you can find it on Birdeye, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. It says an autonomous AI, artificial intelligent agent powered by OpenAI O1 model analyzing scientific papers for mathematical errors and discrepancies. And this token here is getting a brand new central exchange listing this morning. It says December 20th, 7:30 a.m. UTC time, which is already passed, so it is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol YNE, and then simply just buy the token. Now, on Mexc Global, there was another big token listed today called the Swarms token. There's actually a few different huge tokens listing today. I'm going to be posting a video on the ODOS token, ODOS. So stay tuned for that video as well. Yeah, Contos is another one. So there's a whole bunch of huge central exchange listings today on Mexc Global with very big projects. And this Yesnoerror token basically just came out. According to DEX Screener, the pair was created on Radium for this token 14 hours, 35 minutes ago. So it's just a little bit over half a day old so far. And it's already trending number 12 on DEX Screener in the Solana section. Very popular project right now. So they have a market cap of $13.5 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. Today they have a trading volume of $102.3 million. Token price right now is up 16,930% in the past 24 hours. They've had 152,794 transactions. They have $794,000 worth of liquidity in Radium, and right now it says 79.54% of the total liquidity in Radium is locked and burned. Now, token price right now is about 1.34 cents per token. And this token was created on pump.fun, which is a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. You can tell because the contract address ends in pump. They have 2,170 pooled Sol and Radium, which is equivalent to a little bit over 29 million pooled YNE tokens. So it says, this is an experiment. Yesnoerror is an AI agent that uses OpenAI's O1 model to find errors in published research papers. The AI agent uses its YNE token to fund its artificial intelligence review system. The agent is starting with enough to run for 2 days, and it says, update, the agent has enough coins to fund way more than 2 days now. In October of 2024, a research paper claimed that black cooking utensils were extremely poisonous. People panicked. It turned out there was an error in the paper and it was wrong. When the paper was given to the AI model, O1 from OpenAI, it was able to spot the error. What other errors might be hidden in tens of millions of published research papers? What mistakes have gone unnoticed? What if an AI went and found all the errors? Now, that's actually a super great idea. Now, some of these meme coins, or just coins in general, have the craziest ideas, and you're like, why on earth are we doing this? And you know, some of them might be fun, like Styro Steve token the other day. The guy was collecting his girlfriend's hair that fell out in the shower, and he was gluing it to a styrofoam, or taping it to a styrofoam head, and posting pictures, and he's going to keep posting until the styrofoam head, Styro Steve, is filled with hair. So, I mean, there's that. And then there's great projects like this that find errors in scientific research papers. So, and then there't everything in between those two. Now, right now, this token has 8,560 holders. And by the way, shout out to Styro Steve. Check out that video I did yesterday on Styro Steve if you don't know what I'm talking about. Brand new meme coin. This token here has a quick audit that you could find on Dex Tools, and it's by Quick Intel Security. So first of all, they got a Dex score of 82 out of 99. It looks like, you know, they're missing, they don't have a Telegram. They're probably missing a little bit of information, brand new token. So they lost some points for information. But yes, it said their Quick Intel Security Audit says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. And contract is not freezable. So keep in mind, though, that is just a quick audit. It's not a full audit, doesn't go over everything. Now, if you go to their webpage, Yesnoerror.com, it says, you know, research funded by the YNE token. And it says support Yesnoerror. They have a contract address where you could donate. And then there's a whole bunch of papers that the AI is going through, and they're leaving summaries and seeing if there's any discrepancies or mathematical errors. And if there's none, they put little check marks, and then they move on to the next paper. And then it says next paper will be processed momentarily, and you gotta wait, and you can click refresh and check out all the cool new papers they're reviewing and checking for errors. So check it out, Yesnoerror.com, and you can find this token newly listed as of today, under 24 hours ago, on Mexc Global. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.